नमस्ते दोस्तों। मैं अभी आपको 5 मिनट की 100 वर्ड्स पर मिनट की स्पीड पर उसी मैटर की डिक्टेशन देने जा रहा हूँ जिसकी डिक्टेशन लेसन 1 पार्ट 1 में 80 वर्ड्स पर मिनट की स्पीड पर बोली गई थी। मैं आपको यकीन दिलाना चाहता हूँ कि मेरे इस मटेरियल की डिक्टेशंस को अगर आप हर रोज़ प्रैक्टिस करेंगे तो आप किसी भी डिपार्टमेंट का स्किल टेस्ट बड़ी इजीली क्वालिफाई कर सकते हैं। तो चलिए, आपका ज़्यादा समय ना लेते हुए 10 सेकंड्स के गैप के बाद डिक्टेशन शुरू करते हैं। Salary or pension is not a bounty. It is a right of an employee oblique retired employee on account of service rendered by him. It is unfortunate that the cases are coming to the court where instrumentalities of the state are failing in their duty in paying salaries to low-paid employees who, with their meager income, have to make both ends meet. In case even the salary or the pension is not paid on time, sometimes they are made to borrow, which results in further problems. Many a times the employees who have raised loans from banks are not able to pay regular installments, as a result of which either they may be declared defaulters or penal interest is charged from them. In any establishment wherever one is working, the head of the department therein is like head of the family or captain of a ship. It is his duty to ensure that everyone in the family has got his due, and then he should take to whatever he is entitled to. In a sinking ship, the captain always remains aboard till such time he rescues all the occupants of the ship. But somehow the time has changed. Moral values have gone down. The heads of the departments are not concerned as to whether the junior most employees have got their salaries or not, or that the retired employees have got their retiral dues. They are happy because their salaries are credited to their bank accounts regularly. But considering the plight of low paid employees and also the number of cases filed in the court with similar relief, in my opinion, certain strict actions are required to be taken, namely that the head of the department will ensure that all the employees working under him get their salaries and other dues before he draws his salary. In case on account of any financial difficulty the salary or pension is withheld, it will not be starting from the low paid employees, rather at the first instance the salary of the senior most employee of the committee, which is stated to be the executive officer, shall not be disbursed, and the amount thereof shall be transferred to the account from where salary oblique pension to the lowest paid serving or retired employee of the committee is being paid. In case there is still deficit, then the salary of the next senior most employee shall not be disbursed, and the amount shall be disbursed as directed above. The provident fund amount either deducted from the salaries of the employee or as contribution of the employer shall always be deposited regularly in their accounts. Similar is the position with regard to the contribution towards pension fund. There is a rationale behind this. A well-paid employee can tackle the situation where there is some delay in payment of salaries, whereas it is difficult for a low-paid employee. Though sad, yet it is a fact that people do not hesitate in resorting। दोस्तों, यह 100 वर्ड्स पर मिनट की स्पीड पर 5 मिनट की डिक्टेशन थी। आई होप कि आपसे अच्छे से नोट की गई होगी। मैं इसी तरह से हर रोज़ 80 वर्ड्स पर मिनट की स्पीड पर और फिर उसी मैटर की 100 वर्ड्स पर मिनट की स्पीड पर डिक्टेशन अपलोड करता रहूँगा। अगर आप चाहते हैं कि आपको हर रोज़ डिक्टेशंस अपलोड होते ही नोटिफिकेशन मिल जाए तो इस चैनल इंग्लिश शॉर्ट हैंड प्रैक्टिस को सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिए। तो चलिए कल फिर मिलते हैं एक नए जोश के साथ। विश यू सक्सेस। जय हिंद।